Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the third trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Vedanta because a company set to invest $2 billion in Saudi Arabia to establish copper processing facilities, marking a major boost for the kingdom's ambition to become a global hub for mining and metals as well. Basically, the investment will fund the construction of a smelter and refinery with a capacity of 4 lakh metric ton per year. Along with that, Vedanta also plans to build a facility producing up to 3 lakh ton annually of copper rods. Basically, it is a crucial component for electronic cables. The next stock which you need to look at is Dabur because the company received an order from the Additional Commissioner CGST Commissionerate, basically confirming a demand of 320 crores along with applicable interest. The demand pertains to tax ascertained by the Directorate General of Goods and Service Tax Intelligence as part of an ongoing review of the company tax compliance. The third stock which you need to keep on your radar is Siemens because the company reported a 45.4% YoY jump in the net profit, reported at 830.7 crores for the fourth quarter. In the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal, Siemens posted net profit of 571 crore. So this is the stock which you need to look at. The next stock which you need to keep on your radar is GE Vernova because the company announced that its promoter Grid Equipments Private Limited will exercise the green shoe option in its offer for sale. The total offer size will reach up to 21,451,168 equity shares, representing 8.38% of the company's paid up equity capital. Basically, the OFS comprise a base offer of 14 million shares, which is approximately 5.47% equity, with an additional green shoe option of 7,451,168 shares, and it is approximately 2.91% equity. Basically, now the floor price for the offer for the offer is set at 1,550 per share. The next stock which you need to look at is Exide Industries because the battery maker said it has made a 99.99 crore investment in its wholly owned subsidiary Exide Energy Solution through a right issue. The investment increased EIL's total stake in EESL to 3,052 crores with no change in the ownership percentage, which remained at 100% EESL, which is incorporated in March 2022. Basically, it is focused on manufacturing and selling lithium-ion battery cells modules and the pack of electric vehicle market and stationary applications in India. So these are some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Apart from that, you also have to look at Patanjali Food because state-owned life insurance corporation said it has increased its shareholding in the edible oil major from 4.986% to 5.02% of the company's paid-up capital. The move involved the acquisition of 125,000 equity shares through an open market purchase at an average price of 1,764 per share. Following the transaction, LIC's total equity holding in Patanjali Food rose from 1,80,48,377 shares to 1,81,73,377 shares. The next stock is NTPC because NTPC Green Energy under the Ministry of Power has partnered with Maharashtra State Power Corporation Company to form a 50-50 joint venture company. Basically, this joint venture named Mahagenco NTPC Green Energy Private Limited will focus on developing, operating and maintaining renewable energy parks across Maharashtra. These parks, part of Ultra Mega Renewable Energy Park Perks program, aim to attract investment by providing infrastructure and land for renewable energy projects. The next stock is UltraTech Cement because India's largest cement manufacturer said it has approved the allotment of unsecured redeemable non-convertible debentures worth 1,000 crore on a private placement basis. Basically, the NCD with a tenure of 10 years will be listed on the National Stock Exchange. The debentures with interest rate of 7.22% were allotted to the November 26 and are set to mature on November 24. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.